Hi, I'm Stella Chase Reese, and welcome to Dookie Chases. Come on in. So gumbo is a dish that has a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and as my father would say, brings everyone together. Everyone loves gumbo because gumbo is a dish where everyone can be creative. So I hear the Disney chefs are cooking up something special. Let's go and check it out. Happy National Gumbo Day.
Hello, my name is Lindell Skinner. I'm the Operations Manager in Food and Beverage here at New Orleans Square in Disneyland Park. Today I'm here with Chef Toby, and we are here at Tiana's Palace. Today we're going to showcase Tiana's Palace House Gumbo. So let's get started. Talk to me a little bit about the andouille sausage. Where do we get the andouille sausage from?
Andouille sausage is a smoked pork sausage, usually from Louisiana.
Did we actually source it from Louisiana?
We did. We actually went through, I think, 15 different andouille sausages, and this one blew away everybody. So I'm going to caramelize the andouille sausage. I'm going to pull that out, save it off to the side.
And now the chicken.
The chicken's been seasoned with Cajun spices to give you that extra flavor of home.
And what type of chicken are you using? Are you chicken breast, chicken thigh?
We're using chicken thighs so it stands up to the stew. We'll cook it all the way through, pull that out, and then we're going to add in our trinity, which is onions, green bell peppers, and celery. We're going to kick it up another notch. We're going to add poblano chilies into it.
Oh wow, very nice.
So you're going to get a little extra heat and a little bit of extra sweet on there.
As I think about family and having Sunday dinners and bringing community together, I know that's very, very big. With Tiana is bringing community and food and making sure that we're celebrating as one. Community is very big for me as well. I was born and raised in New Orleans, born uptown off of Louisiana and Fred Avenue, and I will tell you in New Orleans, growing up there, no two gumbos are alike. And even at Tiana's Palace, don't we have a second gumbo?
We do have our 7 greens and beans gumbo.
That gumbo is actually a play off of gumbo's herb that is from New Orleans. It's an homage to them. How's the chicken?
The chicken's ready to come off. After I pull this off, we're going to throw our vegetables in there, start to caramelize them, and that will pull the little burnt bits off the bottom.
Beautiful. So I know the Trinity in New Orleans is very special. How does that enhance the flavor of any type of dish?
Typically, you're going to use like a mirepoix, which is onions, carrots, and celery. New Orleans pulls a carrot out because they're the environment that they have. Carrots don't do that great in there, but bell peppers thrive in that humidity and the heat and everything else that's down there. So it gives a lot better flavor and a lot better texture to it.
Beautiful.
So next, after these caramelize down and we start to get the fond off, I'm going to add my garlic in, my dry herbs. Okay. And then we're going to start adding in our stock and start to bring it to a boil. So what we're doing right now is I'm going to start to deglaze a little bit with the chicken stock. We're going to make sure we get those little bits off the bottom.
Beautiful.
And bring that flavor into the stew. So let's talk about roux real quick. Roux is a thickening agent that we use for a lot of soups, stews, and sauces. We're using a very dark roux, which is half and half flour and oil. So we're going to add about half of this and see where the thickness looks like. Because if you add too much, it's going to be too pasty and thick. You have to add chicken stock, which dilutes all the flavors down. How thick do you like it? You want a little thinner or thicker?
That's good with me. I am a gumbo guy.
All right, so we're going to add one of the classic favorites in the South, okra.
Growing up, again, in New Orleans, my grandmother, she had actually an okra plant in her yard, in her garden. And for us, growing up, she would actually make us go out to her garden, pick the okra that we would actually use in her gumbo.
So we're going to add the last couple things in here. A little bit of salt and pepper.
Always got a salt and pepper
Always.
in your pots. Always.
We're going to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce to kind of give you a little bit of umami and flavor. And then our classic sauce.
A little hot sauce. So when you come to Tiana's Palace and you taste the flavors of the House Gumbo and you're saying, oh, that feel is really, really good, it's the labor of love that the cast members have put into it on the back end. So it's beautiful, beautiful to see.
All right, so we're also going to finish off with fresh parsley and fresh oregano that we've chopped up. And there we are.
Cheers. Delicious. So again, Chef, I just want to say thank you for showing us how to make the House Gumbo and providing a great guest experience for our guests.
Thank you, Lindell. Appreciate the time.